Welcome back to Thor Open House. We're currently in the Keystone RV booth. We're in the new Sprinter front kitchen fifth wheel. Check this thing out. Look at how open it becomes. And what they've done that by condensing the dinette into this little bar top really opens up the space. It's got this nice rustic feel to the edge. And just massive kitchen up front there. Lots of LED lighting, plenty of storage, big 4-door fridge. You'll notice down below the oven they have a nice little drawer that has the dog bowls in it. Very pet friendly. They also have a leash latch outside the door. So if you need to stop for a moment, leash up your dog while you tie your shoes, that sort of thing, you've got that space to do it. But look at how open this space is. It really opens up the floor plan. Somebody mentioned a minute ago, it has that industrial loft feel. And I really like the way that that terminology flows with this fifth wheel. Take a look back here in the bedroom. I'll kind of round things out. Let us know what you like. Comment below.